Jago High is represented by Janelle Essen, Renice Earl, Renee Somerville, and Nathaniel Bako. Vere Technical is represented by Jermaine Anderson, Michaela Daly, Ayana Martin, and Alvian Price. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. Now it all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and Jago High won. They decided to send Vere Technical into bat. So we begin with Vere Technical. Now, this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Vere, we begin with English language. Identify the part of speech of the word not as used in the sentence. Maybe we'll have a test, but I hope not. Adverb. Correct. English language for Jago. Identify the part of speech of the word in as used in the sentence. They must have an in with the manager. Known. Correct. International affairs for Vere Technical. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed. North Macedonia. Correct. International affairs for Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Correct. General knowledge. The won is, this is for Vere, the won is a currency in the north and south parts of which country?
Korea.
Correct. And Jago general knowledge, the sol is a currency of which South American country?
Peru.
Correct. Geography for Vere Technical, what is the name for the public regulation of land and building used to control the character of a place?
Municipal corporation.
Incorrect. Zoning. Geography for Jago, which zoning code, based on separating land uses by type, is the most prevalent in the United States of America?
Greenbelt.
Incorrect. The Euclidean zoning code. Music. Vere, please listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Never, ever fade. You're lovely.
Danger.
Incorrect. I'm like a bird. Music for Jago. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Feel alright. The party's here on the west side, so I reach for my 40.
This is how we do it.
Correct. Chemistry for Vere. Which theory describes chemical bonding as the result of the overlap of incompletely filled atomic orbitals?
The ionization theory.
Incorrect. The valence bond theory. Chemistry for Jago. Which theory states that chemical reactions can only occur when particles collide and the collisions are effective?
Collision theory.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Vere, look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Mark Zubek.
Incorrect. Christoph Waltz. Theatre and cinema for Jago. Do the same. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Saoirse Ronan.
Correct. And mathematics for Vere. What is the specific name of the point where a straight line crosses the x-axis as a graph?
Intercept.
The y-intercept is what I have. Judges will decide. Mathematics, what is the name of the function where each element of a set gives the image of itself as the same element?
Identity.
Function.
Correct. Sports for Vere. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Berlin.
No, that's Maurice Foster. And sports for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Desmond Haynes. Desmond Haynes.
Incorrect. That's Winston Benjamin. History. And that's the bell. And that's the end of our opening challenge. May I have the scores at this time? The scores are St. Jago High on 7 and Vere Technical on 3. When we get back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.